Hello Odoo users, it's Eleanor from Cluedo here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use one of our modules to compare two bills of materials. So let's get clued into Cluedo. First off, let's download the application. To do this we need to head into Settings and click Manufacturing on the left hand side. Near the top of the page we can find Tracking, and on the bottom right hand side here we've got BOM Different Comparison. I'll tick that, save up my changes and give it a minute or two for those to take effect. Once that's all done, let's head back to our home screen and pop into manufacturing. Now I'll head into our bills of materials, and you can see I've got two BOMs here, perfect for comparing, almost as if I planned it. So let's click into desk combination first. You can see straight away a new field has been created called component category. Let's fill that out to start with. I will put office chair black as component A, corner desk left sit as B, and drawer black as A once again. If I save that up now and do the same thing for corner desk right sit, which luckily only has one component, I'll put that one as B also. I can head into structure and cost. Now you can see in the top right hand corner here it says to compare BOM, report type should be on BOM structure. Just before I do that, the eagle-eyed of you may also have noticed that I have a couple of extras within my bill of materials. Export XLSX unfolded, and some additional fields here for input percentage cost price and percentage sales price. If creating an Excel report is something of interest to you, take a look at our video tutorial around BOM Excel export or generic Excel report. Similarly, if you'd like these additional fields, check out our BOM cost and report extension tutorial. Both will be linked below. But for now, let's stay focused on BOM comparison. So I will move this report to BOM structure, and straight away it brings up the option for me to choose another BOM to compare. Since I only have one other BOM, I will choose corner desk right sit for this comparison. And you'll see as soon as I do, a comparison arises detailing both of our chosen BOMs. And with that, for bill of materials comparison, you're all clued up. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Cluedo.com.